Dear student, after the Diwali break, we are continuing with our syllabus, chapter 7, graphic presentation. In this chapter, there are two types of graph. First is based on the frequency distribution and second is the graph of time series. First, graph of frequency distribution. Graph of frequency distribution. In the frequency distribution, first graph is line graph. Second, histogram. Third, frequency polygon. And fourth is the cumulative frequency polygon. Cumulative frequency polygon, या cumulative frequency curve is also called OGI. So there are four type of graph is based on the frequency distribution. One by one we will discuss it. First of all, we will take the line graph. First example is try line frequency graph of the following data. First, here the height in inches are given 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66. And according to their frequency, number of students 90, 80, 120, 140, 132, 70 and 40. And draw the line graph. On this graph, draw a horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. And whose intersecting point is O, which is origin. First, choose a proper scale of both the data on the x-axis and y-axis also. On the x-axis, we are taking the height in inches are given. And number of student is frequency on the y-axis. So first choose a scale. Scale on x-axis and on y-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 inch. I think 1 inch is suitable. And on y-axis, here the lowest value is 40 and highest value is 140. So I think we are taking the suitable scale is 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 and 140 is 1 centimeter equal to 20 students. So first on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 inch. Here the inches is 60 starting from the 60. So there is no need for the value before the 60. So we are using a kink line. यहाँ पर एक zigzag line, ये kink line का use करो और start करो कहाँ से 60 से 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66 and make a line graph. Line graph में सीधे एक straight line बनेगी. First on 60 inch 90, between this 90, ये 90 ले लो और एक vertical line ये 90 की हाइट तक. Again 61 पे 80, 61 पे 80, 62 120, 62 120 हो गया, 63 140, 63 140, again 64 132, 132 पे आ जाएगा, 64, 65 70, तो 60 और 70 के बीच में ये 65, फिर 66 पे 40, ये 66 पे 40, ये 40 70 132 140, ये 120 80 and 90. These are the line graph according to their frequency. Next type is the histogram. In the histogram, the various types are, first the continuous class interval are given. It's very simple. Continuous 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30. These are the continuous class interval are given with the equal size. Class size is same. For example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40 and so on. This type of data are given according to their frequency and draw a histogram. Histogram is a rectangular bar with the adjacent. All the rectangles are adjacent. Data are given continuous. Next, sometimes the midpoint are given. अगर midpoint given है, तो from the midpoint, for example 5, 15, 25 and 35. If the midpoint are given, then we will find the continuous class interval. Here 5 to 15, here the difference is 10. So adjust these values from 10 unit. 5 unit before and 5 unit after. So before 5, 0. After 5, 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30 and 30, 40. These midpoints are given. And there are three types of data are given: continuous, midpoint and with the equal class size. And the next type is unequal class width. The data are given in this way: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40 in this types, and frequencies are given for this. So we will find the adjusted frequency. In this type of data, this is the frequency, and we should find the adjusted frequency. So these three type of data are given for drawing the histogram. Draw a histogram for the following information. Here the marks and whose midpoints are given, and here the number of students. And if we draw the histogram, first of all, convert the marks into the continuous class interval. Convert the marks into continuous class interval. Here the 150 and 160, whose difference is 10. So we should divide it by 10 is 5. So here the less than 5, 145. Greater than 5, 155. Before 5, 155 to 165. 165 to 175. 175 to 185. 185 to 195. And 195 to 205. Convert the data into continuous class interval. इसका difference 10 है. So 10 is divided by 2 is 5. So इसको 5 minus करो और 5 plus करो. And according to their frequency same, 8, 10, 25, 12, 7 and 3. Again draw this x and y axis. First choose a scale for x axis and y axis. On x axis, here the marks is, we should take the scale for the 10 units on x axis. Scale choose करते पहले 1 centimeter equal to 10 marks, and on y axis 1 centimeter equal to, here maximum value is 25, so 5 students. इस टाइप से हम use the kink line and starting from the 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195 and 205. Here the 5 student, so your 5 का scale 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 और 30. 1 centimeter equal to 10 marks. 145 से 155 8 student. इससे नीचे 8 student. फिर 10, ये 10 student. फिर 165 से 175 25. ये 175 पर रहेगा. फिर 175 to 185 12. 10 से थोड़ा ऊपर 12. फिर 185 से 195 7. 5 to 6, between 5 to 7, between 5 to 10 7 is there. And next 195 से 205 3, यहाँ पर 3. This is the histogram for the given data. And the next question, draw the histogram of unequal class interval. If this type of data are given, अगर data ऐसे given हो, daily wages of workers are given 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, यहाँ तक तो difference 5 का है. 25 to 30 ये भी 5, but 30 to 40 here the difference is 10 rupees. This is the width or the class size. 40 to 60 20 rupees का, और 60 to 80 20 rupees का, and according to their frequencies are given. So for this type of question, find the adjusted frequency. And for finding the adjusted frequency, its formula is minimum class size and class size of given interval. Class size of given interval into frequency. जिस इंटरवल की फ्रीक्वेंसी क्लास साइज होगी उससे डिवाइड करेंगे एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय फ्रीक्वेंसी. मिनिमम क्लास साइज, इन सब में मिनिमम है 5, तो 5 क्लास साइज ऑफ दिस अपॉन 5 इंटू 7, ये 7. मिनिमम क्लास साइज 5, इसकी क्लास साइज 5 इंटू 19, ये 19. फिर 5 अपॉन 5 इंटू 28, 28. 5 अपॉन 5 इंटू 15, 15. फिर 5 अपॉन 30 to 40, ये 10 इंटू 12, 5 to the 10, ये 2 से 6. यहाँ पे देखो एडजस्ट हो, फ्रिक्वेंसी इज एडजस्टेड. 5 अपॉन 10 इंटू 12. Again 5 upon 40 to 60, 20 into 12. 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 3. Again last 5 upon 20 into frequency 8, 4 2s are 8. Its final adjusted frequency is 2. 7, 19, 28, 15, 6, 3, 2. We are taking the adjusted frequency for drawing the histogram on the y-axis. Again, draw its graph. So, on the x-axis and y-axis. On the x-axis, we are taking the daily wages. Daily wages is starting from the 10. So, we are taking the 5 on x scale is on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to ₹5, and on y-axis इसको लेंगे एडजस्टेड को. सबसे मिनिमम है 2 और सबसे हाईएस्ट है 28. तो आप 5 का ले लो. 5 वर्कर्स. यहाँ पे होगा एडजस्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑन वाई एक्सिस. सबसे स्टार्टिंग है आपका 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. On y-axis 5 workers. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. First है 10 to 15. ये 10 से 15 पे चलना होगा. 7, ये 7 था. Again 15 to 20, 19. इसको 19 तक ले जाओ. 15 to 20, 19. फिर 20 से 25, 28. 20 से 25, 28. 30 से थोड़ा नीचे ये 20. फिर 25 से 30, 15. 25 से 30, 15 होगा. फिर 30 से 40. 30 से 40. अब यहाँ पे लेना होगा 6. 30 से 40 तक 6. ये 6. 40 से 60 3. 40 से लगाकर 60 तक और वो भी 3 यूनिट. 3. और 60 to 80 2. 60 to 80 2 यूनिट. ये 2, ये 3, 6, 15, 28, 19 or 7. These are the adjusted frequency for drawing the histogram of unequal class interval.